Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. In today's session, we'll be focusing on creating more ease and flexibility in our neck, shoulders, back, hips, and more, while using a chair for support. So let's go ahead and begin by focusing on our breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale belly, then ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest. Feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with a seated cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, tilting your pelvis forward lightly. Exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine. Continue with this movement, flowing at your own pace. And release, adding a lateral stretch. Reach your arms overhead. Use your right hand, clasp your left wrist, reaching up and over to the right. Breathing wide into your left side body, keeping the weight even in your hips. And release and switch, reaching up and over to the left, lengthening through your right side body, lifting up and out of your waist. And release, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Rotate your left palm back and away, placing behind your low back. And then we'll just relax the right ear towards the right shoulder. Feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. And release and switch, rotate your right hand back and away, placing behind your low back. Relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, breathing into the right side of your neck. And release, returning to center. Moving into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, lower, sweeping back. Inhale, reach overhead. Exhale, lower, sweeping back. Continue with this movement, increasing circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, reach one arm forward and one arm back, adding a flex through the hands, waking up your hands and wrists. Continue moving from right to left, spreading your fingers wide. And release, returning to center. Adding a core strengthening move, reach your arms overhead. Draw your navel back towards your spine. Feeling your core strong, slowly begin to hover your torso forward out over your legs. Continue here or adding on at our alternate arm reach. And release, returning to center. From here, moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg and your right hand behind you for support. Inhale, re-lengthen through the crown of your head. And on your exhale, slowly twisting a little deeper, rotating from your belly, ribs, and chest. Exhale, unwind, and repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg and your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lift through your sternum, re-lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper. Exhale, unwind. Adding another twist variation, walk your feet over to the right side of your chair. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, clasping the back of your chair. Using the clasp of your chair as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Exhale, unwind. Adding a lunge position, keep your right leg where it is and extend through your left leg. Stretching through the front of your left hip, keeping your right knee over your right heel. With your back heel raised, lengthen your tailbone towards the earth. Adding a lateral stretch, reach your left arm up and over to the right, lengthening through your left side body. Release, and we'll repeat this sequence to the opposite side. Walk your feet over to the left side of your chair. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, clasping the back of your chair. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine through the crown of your head. And with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, using the clasp of your chair as added leverage. Exhale, unwind. Adding our lunge position, keep your left leg where it is and extend through your right leg. With your back heel raised, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly lifting through your lower belly, aligning your front knee over your front heel. When you're ready, reach your right arm up and over to the left, lengthening through your right side body. And release, returning back to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole and ankle as you switch directions. Pausing, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, creating more flexibility and mobility in your joints. and release, and we'll repeat to the opposite side. Draw your left knee in, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Pausing, clasp your hands beneath your left leg, extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, feeling a stretch through your hamstrings. And release. Adding a gentle hip opener, draw your right knee in towards your chest and place your right ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs. Stay connected to your breath, keeping your spine long, breathing into your right outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your left hand to your right leg and reaching your right arm back and open to the right, maintaining your hips facing forward, rotating from your belly, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind, and we'll repeat to the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg and your left arm back and open to the left. Exhale, unwind, returning to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your breath to help you get centered, moving it through your body like a wave a few times. Inhaling from your feet all the way up through the crown of your head. Exhaling from the crown of your head down through your feet. Allow your breath to be easy and natural now, simply paying attention to each inhalation and exhalation as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.